If you go with an equipment lease, you're still gonna be on the hook at the end for all of the maintenance nightmares that happened along the way. So you're actually going to be responsible at the end to put a lot more money at the end of it into repairing what has happened. Also, at the end of it, you're gonna have to decide whether you're gonna have a buyout or not. With Formic, we've got the ability to say, we've gone as far as we can with this robot, what's the next step? And they're gonna remove their equipment or upgrade it to give us the next level.
One of the things that I do in my role is contract review. Kind of fell into my lap. I'm not an attorney or anything, but I look at all the contracts that come through the company. So that's when I got involved in the process, was just reviewing Formic's contract. And the reason that we went with them is just the flexibility that they offer, and their contract was not detrimental to us in any way. It didn't lock us into anything. It didn't, a lot of the other companies that are out there, they're locking you into something, or they're just a lot more restrictive. And so that's why we went with Formic, is because it seemed like it was going to be a really symbiotic relationship for both of us.